Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can create a form in WordPress using Elementor free. In Elementor you know that the form widget is paid, so we will see how we can create a form for free in WordPress using Elementor. So here we will log into the website. So here you can see my login link is kmlogin.wp-admin, which saves me from hackers. So if you want to set up WordPress security on your website, you can watch this complete playlist that I have explained several strategies that you can follow to save your website. So here let me go to the plugins, and here you can see I am using Elementor free version, and let's go to the page and click on add new, add it with Elementor. So here when we search for form, here you can see it is paid and we need to upgrade, but I will tell you a free method to create the form and add it using Elementor. So we will click on add new plugin, and here you can search for this plugin Fluent Form, and this is the plugin. You can install it, activate the plugin. Here you will see this option Fluent Forms, so you can go to forms. Here you can use any pre-made form or you can click on add new form. So here you can choose a template or you can create a blank form. So let me just choose this basic form template, and here you can see the form fields. Here you can add any new field that you want. So maybe just add a date time picker, and we can change the label. Here we can also add more form fields, and we will click on save form, and here on top you will see this shortcode. You can copy it and now go to the page, and here you can search, and here you can first of all refresh this page because we have added the form, so we need to refresh. And now here we can search for Fluent Form, and here you can see the forms. So this will be available in the free option. You can add it, and here you can select which form you want to add. So this one was the form that we have created, so we will select it, and here you can see it's showing. We can publish it, and now let's have a look at that. So here you can see a beautiful and simple form. You can also change the styling and the setting from this plugin. So that's how you can add a form in WordPress using Elementor for free. So that's it for the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more related videos. See you next time.